Hello, we're going to make a quick fruit smoothie this morning, and it's going to be 5 ingredients, and we'll just get started. We've got them right here. Well, let's start with, we've got some bananas here, and it's really a good idea not to use bananas that haven't been ripened too much, and we'll just get that like that. And we'll just break that up, put that right in. And we're also going to put in some yogurt. I like to use whole milk yogurt, and I like vanilla flavor, so this is vanilla. And I put in probably about a half a cup of yogurt. You can use your favorite yogurt. And we're also going to put in a pear. This pear is pretty ripe, so it's pretty soft and juicy. There's no need to peel it. So we'll put that right in. And let's just pulse this a little bit. Just and I'll just kind of in there. And now we're going to add a little something special here. We have fresh oranges. Even here in Maine, here we have a miniature orange tree. It has about a dozen oranges. I'm just going to twist one of these oranges off. We've got several dozen more oranges that are on the way. We have some buds there. These the flowers are gone and the oranges are forming, but this gives us oranges all year long. And we'll just put that right in, and we'll mix that in as well. And while that's mixing in, I'll add our 5th ingredient, which is some nice blueberry syrup. We picked this up in Nova Scotia last summer. So I'm just going to put in maybe about a tablespoon of blueberry syrup. That will give it a nice color. Add some antioxidants. A little bit of breakfast, healthy breakfast, in just a couple of minutes. So you can use your favorite fruits and yogurt, and it's pretty tasty. And we'll see you next time.